Right, good afternoon. So we are back again. We're just doing another video on this 20 plate Westfalia Amunsden. It's a Fiat Ducato vehicle. This is the Thule Omni Step. This is the 550mm version and it's the electric. So they do a 400 and they do a 550. You can go manual or you can go electric. So this is an electric step. We fitted this a while ago, just not had time to do a video, but the van's come back in for some other bits and pieces. So we're doing a video today. Now, you can go even more fancy than this and have one of the illuminated LED light in there as well, that's on a switch or electric, which is pretty cool. So I'm just going to open the door here. Now, inside the B pillar, there's a switch. And the switch is set up so that the switch will always work irrespective of whether the key is in the ignition. And you just press the button and the step comes out. Now, this particular vehicle, you can't just buy this and fit it. You do need a Fiat Ducato fitting kit, and that allows us to support and screw the front of the step in, and then also a brace bar at the back that takes a lot of the weight. Now, I'm 13 stone. When you put your weight on the step, you can see it's designed to do a job so that you don't jump on the step and it break. Inside here, if Tim's got enough light to show you, is the switch. It's not illuminated, it's just a simple rocker switch up and down. And if I press the switch, it goes in and out like so. So simple enough. Like I said, you can have manual and you can have electric. Now, if you have electric, you get a couple of extra special things. If you were to put the ignition on and forget that your step is out, which could do some serious damage to you, pedestrian, or the vehicle, it's got a fail-safe mode. Doesn't sound particularly appealing, but it's there just to warn you. So you pop the key in the ignition, and that's the lethargic beeper that it makes just to say that you should now put that step in. So if we put the step in, there you go, beeper's gone off because the step's gone in. So this is the Thule Omni Step 550 version. It's electric, it's 12 volts, gets connected into the vehicle, and as you can see, you've got the fail-safe. You don't have to have the electric, you can just have the manual, and if you've got the manual, just push the slide, unlock it and pull it in, pull it out. Okay, that's it. If you want this fitted and you've got a vehicle like this, don't forget to get in touch. It's Motorhome Retrofits. Website is www.motorhomeretrofits.co.uk. Thanks for watching.